Hi children, let's do some matching now. Number of sentences are there. You find the pair correctly and you complete sentences. Okay? So we are going to match to make complete sentences. Okay? Now, let's look at the sentences. They are in two parts. You read aloud, find for yourself the sentence that makes complete sense. Okay? Good. Here we are. We have two colors here, red and blue. Let's read what is there first. The dog I love my. The rainbow. The birds. And over here is colorful. Can fly. Little puppy is barking. Good. Now we will take one by one. First one is the dog. We have to find the matching words from the blue section. The dog. Is it colorful? No. Can fly? No. The dog, little puppy? No. The dog is barking. Correct. We did the correct matching. The dog is barking. So we found the correct match and we found a lovely sentence here. The dog is barking. All the time the dog keeps barking. Good. Let's go on. Second sentence. I love my. Is colorful? No. I love my. Can fly? No. I love my little puppy. Is that perfect? Yes. Is that correct? Yes. I love my little puppy. Read. So we found the second pair and the correct sentence. I love my little puppy. Good. Let's go on to the next. The rainbow is colorful. Is it correct? Yes. The rainbow is colorful. Very good. So we write down here. The rainbow is colorful. So we found three beautiful sentences matched correctly that made sense. Finally, we have the birds can fly. The birds can fly. And that's the last one. The birds can fly. So we found all the four correct matches and we found the correct sentences that made sense. The last one is the birds can fly. Good. Let's look at another set of words where we are going to match and make lovely sentences. Here we are. Let's read aloud. I went to. She spoke. The cow. The cat is. And on this side you have gives milk on the wall. The park. Very softly. Let's take the first one. I went to gives milk? No. I went to on the wall? No. I went to the park. Is it correct? Yes. I went to the park. So we got one sentence correct. I went to the park. Are you happy? Good. Let's take the next one. She spoke. She spoke gives milk? No. She spoke on the wall? No. She spoke very softly. Correct. She spoke very softly. So we found two sentences matching and correct sense. She spoke very softly. Next, let's go to the next one. The cow gives milk. Is it correct? Yes. The cow gives milk. Perfect. No? Is it? The cow gives milk. And that's the third sentence. We did the matching and we found it. The cow gives milk. Finally, the cat is. The cat is on the wall. That's the last sentence. Good. The cat is on the wall. So we found all the four correct matching, lovely, correct sentences too. Let's look at the next one. Good. Let's read all the words before we do the matching. The sun. Sunday is. The driver. I like to eat. And over here you have drives a car. Ice cream. Is bright. A holiday. Now let's find the correct match. The sun drives a car? No. The sun ice cream? No. The sun is bright? Yes. The sun is bright. We found the first sentence. The sun is bright. Good. Next. Sunday is. Sunday is. Drives a car? No. Ice cream? No. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. We found the second sentence. Correct matching, correct sentence. Sunday is a holiday. Good. Next. Let's find the pair for the third sentence. The driver drives a car. Is it correct? Yes. The driver drives a car. That is correct. Perfect. The driver drives a car. Good. Next. Final one is I like to eat ice cream. You like to eat ice cream? Good. I like to eat ice cream. What ice cream would you like? Strawberry, pista, vanilla? Good. Your choice. Each one of us have different choices. I like to eat ice cream. So we managed to do the matching. Find the correct lovely sentences too.